To restore the healthy glow of your skin, exfoliating regularly is key. This actively removes dead or dry skin cells from the surface of your face and instantly creates a smoother, brighter appearance. That's why I developed my Tru-Energy Deep Purifying Facial Scrub. When you use this breakthrough treatment twice weekly to gently exfoliate dry, damaged skin cells, you'll also detoxify your face to remove skin aging toxins and unplug clogged pores. I formulated Tru-Energy Deeply Purifying Facial Scrub to include penetrating natural botanicals for a deep cleansing you simply can't get with ordinary scrubs or cleansers. Now, my skin is very sensitive, and it's important that I don't irritate my skin. That's why I made sure this deeply purifying facial scrub is gentle but effective. It won't scratch delicate facial skin when you put it on. You simply use your fingers to gently massage the scrub onto your face. No cloths or special applicators are needed. That's because this deeply purifying scrub is infused with all-natural jojoba exfoliating beads. Jojoba comes from the seeds of the jojoba shrub, which is native to America's desert region. This luxurious liquid, wax-like substance is made into soft, tiny beads that gently and effectively exfoliate your skin. One reason it's so gentle is because these beads are very similar to your skin's own natural oil. And unlike other exfoliating products, the jojoba beads I use are perfectly round and smooth. That's why they won't scratch or irritate your skin. They're safe to use in some of those sensitive areas along the sides of the nose. It's the best way I know to keep your skin radiant and younger looking. Just ask Tru-Energy user Stevie Clark.
My favorite step was the facial scrub because it exfoliates your skin and really feels fresh afterwards.